Well, the most interesting thing I'm working on now is understanding how a coral reef in the middle of the Pacific Ocean is recovering from disturbance. Between 4 and 6 years ago, the island of Moorea and many of the islands around it, the coral reefs were destroyed by a cyclone and also by an outbreak of crown-of-thorns starfish. And these two natural disturbances completely destroyed the corals around each of the islands. But in less than 4 years, many of those coral reefs have recovered. What we're trying to do is understand why these systems are so resilient when others around the world are not. Because if we can unlock those secrets about resiliency in ecosystems, we might be able to manage them better. We figured out that one of the key things is that coral reefs can't be overfished. If we fish very intensively, we remove certain species, such as parrotfish, that are really good at controlling algae. And if the fish can naturally control algae, then corals can return to the population sizes they had before through natural processes. If we fish too intensively on parrotfish and other species that eat algae, then the algae takes over when the corals disappear, and then the corals never have a chance to return. The approaches to solving these problems, or even understanding our impacts in the environment, are multidisciplinary in nature. They involve ecological science, understanding what happens to populations of organisms that live in the ocean. But they also deal with trying to understand the way we manage them through regulations, through human behavior, also influence our activities in the sea, because many of the solutions to the problems that I've described are through changing human behavior.